Diyos ang araw na ito para magkasama-sama bago siya ipanganak ulit. Ipapasalamat kami sa ating inihanda, lalo na kay Eden na abalang-abala, puno abala. Kaya natin ang ating panahon sa Panginoon at sa ating mga pamilya at sa mga kaibigan natin. Maraming po salamat.
Amen.
Sweetie, this one's for you. All right, Merry Christmas. Who wants this? You? A little bit later, Okay? All right, so, please open the bag. Please open the bag and show everybody. I think it's a ticket. I think it's a plane ticket. I think it's a plane ticket. I think it's 1,200.
Panghilod! Ano yan? Wow!
I would have loved that, eh?
Oh, love it!
Nakakapag-blooming ako.
This is from the book.
I think so.
It's no me, not no book.
Love it!
Ticket number 0. 0. 2 0, so the last number doesn't matter. It's 0 0 6.
Over there.
0 0 6. Right? Let's go see it. Let's go see it. Alright. So, 0 0 6. Repeat that ticket. Okay? Right here, here's the prize. Now let's grab a chair. So you, the trip to Korea. Are you a fan of K-pop? You're not a fan of K-pop? Oh. Korean ramen? I love Korean noodles. Let's hear it for somebody who wants for trip to Korea.
Oh. From Mabilog. From Mabilog na bundok.
Swerte. Okay. So, just pick it, don't look at it, and put it in my hand, okay? Alright? Kitang-kita. Ay, di. May nakakipit. May nakakipit.
Request na anong mga yan?
Baka yung nakakipit. Ooh, okay. Kita
Ayun,
lang
ayun.
So, here you go. You have to open it right in front of people. It's a travel package. Don't be jealous if this is an actual ticket.
Inaras ko kaya ka naman mamaya.
For what part of the world you're from?
At least inakilala natin, no? Yes!
Let's hear it for people from the territory. So, draw, don't look at it, and then put it in my hand. Silent, just make sure the bottom keep it. No, show it to them. There you go. All right. Alright. Oh, look at that. She's doing from behind. Alright. Okay. You got this one right here. Okay, so you have to introduce yourself. Pakilala kayo, face the people. Your full name and where you're from.
I'm Loida Mandani and Malabrigo.
Tagatawar.
Beautiful Malabrigo.
Yeah, from
Alright, so show everybody your hand. Walang ipit. And then reach back, pull a ticket, and then give it to me. Alright?
Ganda yan.
Are you flexible?
Para bata kaya pa
Ay, hindi
kaya
ko pinarasa mo.
Oo. Balasang-balasa na yan.
Dapat mali sumita ng kasino eh. Dapat sumita ng tourist. Congratulations.
Oh! Teka.
Papakilala ka!
Wah! Ano man?
Talagang hindi nakakilala sa iyo, hindi kita kilala.
Yes, hello, good evening everyone. Good evening, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
By the way, I'm Francis, I'm single, available anytime.
Ano sabi? Ano sabi?
Ngayon, bukas, hindi na pwede yung available. May lang!
Pwede dapat ako yung sa 28.
Anong gagawin mo rin? Sasayaw?
Where are you from? Yung address mo. Where are you from?
I'm from here in the Philippines. Okay. Ako nga pala yung taga-Malapad. Ako dating namamasada sa biyahe ko po. Pag may napasakay ako, 10 kayo, mababa ka Malapad ang baba. Ay, dali na! Pagkakasiksik kong ano sasabihin mo baba. Magagalit pa sa akin din. Kaya naman.
Marami ako nabiling mangga doon una.
Ako nga pala ay si Kabayan. Tawagin na natin si Batan. Yan, ng Malapad na parang. Kaya po, ang aking isang may bahay. Ay, hindi ko na ginawan dalawa. Siya na lang.
Alright.
Ay, baka po kasi ako'y bukas sa truck na ako magtutulog.
Alright, so.
Ay!
Alright.
Bunat! Bunat! Bunat!
Pakita mo na ang kamay na wala nakakipit. Ayan, wala nakakipit. Alright.
Ang laburin ko rin, may plus 20.
Ayan, ayan. Huwag mo lang tingnan. At then, talagang hinihimay eh. Tinignan. Alright, so. Look at your tickets. The winner of the skincare package. Debo ng babae. Debo ng babae. 018.
Uunahin ko na rin! 50! Dari nasa pinto! Tama ka na siya rin! Inuna ko na yan!
Alright, 020.
May plus 20 pa! Now!
Alright, come. Hey, don't forget the prize. Okay. So you have to open it in front of them. Face the people. Thank you. Alright, so the skincare package is.
Araw! Ano nata kami 20 minutes lang?
Alright. That's good. Alright. Congratulations.
Bakit ang bata din eh? Alay matanda. Bata lang, ayos na yan.
Alright, so. Oh, you want my sister? Alright, so. Now this goes to.
Go! Dali yan mo! Sige, he give me money! Dali! Go! Oh!
Yes,
Yeah!
boss, that's what you can do. Here it is. Yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Santa Claus is a YouTuber, right?
Nakarami! Woo! Paldo mga bata!
Okay, Philippine money. Alright, so we're going to the any volunteer.
Bukas na ang tuhit sa balagtas. Yan.
Everybody wants to do the job.
Supportahan
What's the last
natin.
package?
Alright!
Everybody?
Alright! Woo!
Alright, so I'll do the cooking and then, since everybody.
Magandang lalaki ako sa inyo lahat.
Dalawa tayo pare, dalawa
Ay,
tayo.
dalawa ba tayo? Akala,
Ay, tatlo na!
si Phil, dalawa. Nagtaluntong, mga lubo. Siyempre lahat Tagalubo, pero siyempre maganda, mga guwapa ang Tagalubo.
Tunay.
Kaya di ba?
Yeah. Alright, so there's your package right here. Open your package, it's a long package. Alright, da-da-da-da. Boom! Yan, yun. Ganyan pa lang susubukan. What are those? Deodorant. children. That's good. That's good. Congratulations.
Hello, son. Ako po si Ray Briones, tubong Barangay Bingay, Bayan ng Lubog.
Let's hear it from Ray. Alright, so you'll have to open the back.
Ano inom na? Pag nabubura yung mga tropa pa inom.
022. Itago mo. Just your bag. I think you already introduced yourself, right? Okay. What that was? I was like that. All right. Next. Next one will be 021.
Paano yan?
021 for this blue bag. 021 for this blue bag.
Ay, bawal yun eh! Nakaw! Ayan. Okay. Tayo mo na, tayo mo na!
Alright. So,
Oh! Yes, kiss ka, kiss! Ikaw!
so this is the
Mga kabarangay, kabarangay! Yun na, mga kabarangay, nagtalutog! Nagtalutog! Nagtalutog!